Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we are going to do something teaching and learning session. So this polynomial is an algebraic expression that represents the sum of one or more terms containing whole numbers, exponents on the variables. Let's give some examples. 2x. Then we have 3x plus 4. Another one is negative 2x plus 3. And 3x squared plus 4x plus 2. So in these following expressions, these are different kinds or different polynomials. Polynomial can be classified as monomial, binomial, and trinomial. In this example, 2x, we can say that there is only one term. So monomial is a polynomial with one term. So this expression is an example of monomial. Binomial, from the syllable bi, meaning two, or the prefix bi, meaning two terms. 3x plus 4 is an example of binomial. 3x is the first term and 4 is the second term. So if there are two terms, meaning it is an example of binomial. Next is trinomial, from the prefix tri, meaning three terms. So in the given expressions, one expression there is an example of trinomial. Let's say, is negative 2x plus 3 is an example of trinomial? No. It is because negative 2x plus 3, there are two terms. So this is fall under binomial. So the example of trinomial there is 3x squared plus 4x plus 2. It is because there are three terms. The first term here is 3x squared. The second term is 4x. And the last term or the third one is 2. Now, so you already know the different polynomials, monomial, binomial, or trinomial. Now, let's start factoring polynomials. So let's make a table for we to come up the factored form of the given polynomial. On the first part, we have polynomial. The second, we have the GCF. And the last one is the factored form that we are going to do. Okay, let's give an example of polynomial. Let's say x squared plus 2x. Okay, before we can factor this polynomial, let's get first the greatest common factor, this one GCF. So in the given expressions, the common factor of the given expression is 1x or x. Okay, the greatest common factor is x. Now let's start the factored. How we are going to factor this one? First is you have to write the greatest common factor and we are going to use parentheses. Open parentheses. Okay, what we are going to do to get x squared, since we already write the x, so what variable or what number that we are going to multiply to x to come up x squared? So, to come at x squared, we have to multiply x to another x. And then, as what we have seen here, we are using the positive or the addition. So, we are going to use the plus sign. And then, what we are going to do to get 2x? What we are going to multiply to x to come up 2x. Okay. Yes, it is 2. How we are going to check? First is we are going to multiply x to x. And then multiply x to the second term. X times x is equals to x squared. X times positive 2 is equals to 2x. So this may result to x squared plus 2x. If you come up this result and it coincides to the given expression, therefore, the factor that you have created is correct. Now, let's proceed to another example. 4x squared plus 6x. Okay. In this given expression, as what I have told you before, that we have to get the GCF first. What is the greatest common factor of 4 and 6? By the way, this one is the what we call numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient. To get the greatest common factor of the first and the second term, we have to make a table. Let's find the factor of 4 and 6. What are the factors of 4? We have 1 times 4. And we have 2 and 2. In number 6, we have 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. What have you observed? What number they have in common? Yes, it's number 2. So the greatest common factor based on the coefficient is 2. And since, as what you have seen here, there is a variable. The first term we have x squared and the second term we have x. What is the common factor of x squared and x? It is x. So we come up, the greatest common factor of 4x squared plus 6x is 2x. So we are going to factor now. We have to write the GCF outside the parentheses and then let's start. What number that we are going to multiply to 2x to come up 4x squared? Okay, let's refer to this factor. So, 2 and 2. Therefore, we are going to multiply another 2x. Because if we are going to check, 2x times 2x is equals to 4x squared. Since we are using plus or addition, we have to write it here and then let's proceed to the second term. What number that we are going to multiply 2x to come up 6x? We have to refer this factor 2 and 3 since it's already presented 2, so we have to write this one 3. Let's check if our factor is correct or coincide to the given polynomial. 2x times 2x is equals to 4x squared. And 2x times 3 is equals to 6x. Therefore, it is coincide to the given expression. We can say that the factor that we have created here is correct. Okay, I know that you have gained or learned about factoring polynomials, but based on what I have presented to you, is just only a simple way of factoring polynomials. What if we are go further to the complex one. So this is just for today. So look forward for another video. Stay tuned. Bye.